kailangan kwarta, you click the link, it nagkato sa isang website, and then you need to fill up your data, such as your name, address, birthday, email, phone number, kahit password. Ito bro mo man, kaya 100,000 na ina. So this is smishing. Other form of smishing, you just click the link, there's a virus or malware, upload it into your phone to retrieve data. So, but that requires technology, no? And sometimes, yung mga perpetrators nito, yes, they have lots of technology to use. Ay siyempre, parang sa kanila, ito na yung bread and butter. Yeah. So that's a form of smishing. Now, our role sa NTC, of course, is to deactivate those numbers if you report it to us. Text scam. Fake text messages to trick you into giving your personal information. May batang kang text. This is from the office of Senator Manny Pacquiao. You are one of the beneficiaries of our programs. So, nag-reply ka, please, yes, if you are interested. Oh, yes. Sunod-sunod na yan. After for a while, tatawag sila. Ma'am, yes, we need your bank details, etc. Blah, blah, blah. And you, binigay nyo din. So, from text to phone to online and to your bank accounts na, wala na, zero na yung bank account nyo. Just because of the act of giving your protected personal information, even OTPs. So, bawal po magbigay ng information if you not verify those people na binibigyan ng inyong information. Some forms of scam also, from Promiscuity for loans, uso ngayon yan, yung loaning app. And kung bigay, gawin kang mga tawag dito, i-recommend or reference for the loan. And then, pag hindi lang bayad, yung reference yung tatawagan, yung i-text. Na si Juan de la Cruz may utang na 1,000 pesos, blah, 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 etc. So it's really important to be knowledgeable, no? Na to protect your information. Be careful of what you upload. Be careful of what you give. Kasi, of course, it might be used against you to trick you, and baka gagawa na sila ng separate account using your own details. Also, just like sa bank, sabihin nila na this is from BPO, we notice it fraudulent activity in your online account. Please take note, no, to all the listeners, na yung banko, hindi yan tatawag at magtatanong ng account number, no. They have their database there. So you do not need to give your data to them or any information, no. But if you are doubting na baka sa'yo, bank mo talaga yung